Hey YouTube, Phil in Florence. Well, it's another Saturday, college game day Saturday. Gamecocks are going up against Arkansas. Yikes. Clemson Tigers up against Wake Forest. Don't go to sleep, Tigers. Today, what I'm bringing you is another tailgate special. It's going to be some kabobs on the grill. Well, let me show you some of the stuff I'm going to put in. You talk about loaded, oh boy, we're going to have loaded kabobs. Ribeye steak, cubed up in nice chunks. Chicken, cubed up in nice chunks. I know we're going to have some of those chicken thighs left over, so I thought I might debone them and wrap them in bacon or something. We'll do something with them exciting. We're going to have some cut up fresh pineapple. Some Roma tomatoes in large chunks, some zucchini, some bell pepper. These are scrawny little peppers left over out of my garden, but they'll work for us. And some little cocktail smokies. And some new potatoes, don't forget those. And of course you got to have some nice sweet onion. And then of course we're going to have some salt and pepper and garlic powder, onion powder going on, and I think I'm going to smear it all first with some olive oil. And I got this red wine out. I don't know, there might be a use for it. Let's get ready for some tailgating. So as you can see, all these ingredients is going to be some good stuff. Stay tuned. Okay guys, what I've been doing so far is I've cut up the ribeye steak into these nice sized cubes. Chicken, cheese-filled chicken thighs wrapped with bacon. I got one more to do, actually two more. I'm just grabbing them. They were actually already boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I didn't realize it when I picked them up. I thought I was going to have to do it, but they were already done for me. I just cleaned them up a little bit, trimmed some more of the chicken fat off, and I've never done this, just doing what I've seen other people do. That's what we do, right? Works good for me. Now, the rest of this is going on the skewers along with the steak and the vegetables. Well, here's what it's doing. I was going to have a nice little cook today. It was a 30% chance of rain. Hey guys, I just want to take a minute to give a big shout out to a good friend of mine, fellow YouTuber Chris Biggs over at Biggs Home Cooking. This guy is a cooking machine. He's got about 5 different grills and pits. May have more than that, he just hadn't shown me yet. But he brings solid content every week, and I'd like to see us give him some love. His channel is deserving of 2,000 subscribers right now. And anybody who watches me and is subscribing to me and viewing this for the first time, I'd like for you to go over to Biggs Home Cooking and hit that subscribe button and start watching him cook. He's a terrific cook. So hats off to you, Mr. Chris Biggs. Good luck. And by the way, be sure and tell him Phil in Florence sent me. See ya. The meat on skewers and then all the vegetables on skewers, since we may have a different timeline for the meat. Alright, after a lot of prep time, this is what we ended up with. I've just got a big tray of remaining vegetables over here. I didn't have enough skewers, and then we've got that wrapped chicken and bacon with cheese. So we're getting ready to go on. That pretty. Be out at the grill. About ready to take this stuff up. What I got here, this sauce here, this is some stuff I put together. It's half stick of butter, half a cup of Frank's hot sauce, half a cup of sweet Thai sauce or hot sauce, and a half a cup of red wine vinegar, and some black pepper. That's what's in here. It's a sweet, spicy flavor. 168, 170. That's this done. All right, cook's done. And you know, when you talk about having a shish kebab, that sounds so easy, but I tell you, it's very involved if you have a lot of items in it, and we did. So anyway, finally got it done. Clemson Tigers won their game, and Carolina's got a slight lead at half. So may the best team win. And there's chicken and steak. There's steak down in there. There it is. There's shrimp down in there. All kind of goodness down in there that we had on the kebabs. Onion, yeah. Then we've got another whole container full of vegetables. I just went crazy on the vegetables. Is that pretty or what? And then over here I had a big pack of chicken thighs, boneless, skinless chicken thighs, so we just picked one out. We've got them wrapped in bacon, filled with cheese. Tell you what, I'll get that one out and we'll cut her open. See what she looks like. Well, there's a little cheese in there. It's pretty much cooked in, but I'll take a little taste of that. Let's go down with a taste. Very tasty, good. I thought I'd take this roll and just make me a sandwich. I'm just gonna put a little steak, a little chicken, a little bell pepper, a little tomato, a little onion. Break this onion up a little bit. One more piece of steak. Oh look, a little smoked, and a little zucchini and shrimp. I'll have to pull the tail off of that. Okay, I'm gonna take some of this sweet Thai sauce, sweet and spicy. I like the flavor of that. I'm just gonna kind of go over it again. I actually made up that mopping sauce with some of this in it. Check that out. Isn't that pretty? Alright, let's go in for a bite. Here we go. Mmm. 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 Hard to talk with all that in your mouth. All right. Thanks for coming along for this. You want to close it out for me, huh? Where's the water? All right, I'm good. I appreciate you joining me today for this cook. It was a lot of fun. We had a lot of rain. I didn't know if I was going to be able to get it in, but we managed. It finally quit. So if you like what I'm doing, if you like watching my videos, we're glad to have you along. I want you to subscribe. If you're not a subscriber, reach down there and hit that subscribe button. Make some comments. Tell me what you think of my cooks. If you want me to change something or cook something different, just let me know. And until next time, this is Phil and Flaw.